y'all, welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are new here, my name is Brittany and the name of my channel is 𝒮𝓂𝒂 Interior Decor. To all of my existing subscribers, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in to another video. Did y'all catch the snow at the beginning of the video? I am so excited. We got snow in the South. We hardly ever get snow, and especially in my part of the South. I'm from Alabama, so we probably get snow every 7 to 8 years, if that. So I was excited about this snow. We actually got snow for 2 days. So yeah, everybody's out of school. A lot of people are off of work. Anyway, in today's video, we are going to be doing a makeover in the laundry room space. I'm just going to paint, put up some wallpaper, accessorize the space. If you're new here and you like what you see in today's video and you just like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. To everybody that's watching, please leave the video a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. And of course, leave me a comment down in the comment section. You know I love chatting with you all. So without further ado, we're going to get to this laundry space. And then I, of course, will jump in from time to time to tell you about some things if I need to. Most of the items that will be used in this space, I shared with you guys in a haul that was my last video. If you want to see that, I'll have that linked in the description box. And then anything that I have links to, I put in the description box. And I think that's only the wallpaper, because everything else that I used in this space was purchased in store. I did want to jump in really quick and tell y'all something about this wallpaper. When purchasing wallpaper, I feel like you should purchase more than you need the first round, because I did run into an issue with the wallpaper. I purchased wallpaper. Some of it I purchased like a couple of months ago, and then I went back and I purchased more because I actually had something else that I wanted to do with the wallpaper. But when I got it and seen it, I changed my mind. The wallpaper was different. It was just like totally different. The texture was different. The color was off. So I had to just repurchase wallpaper. wall to the left of me where the washer and dryer is stacked, I decided not to paint this wall. I could not get the screws out of the wall. I don't know if they're just stuck in a stud, but I could not get those out of the wall. So I came up with this little idea. I just decided to put some wall art back there, but it's going to turn out really nice. As you can see, we're just accessorizing the space. That planter I showed you guys, I don't know if you remember from the haul, it was all black. So what I did was I just sprayed the bottom of it gold and kept the pot black. I think it turned out really cute. The basket that I just shared with you guys, I think I purchased that from Ross, and I just put a throw blanket inside of it and added some gold beads so that I can sit that on the top of the washer and dryer. But I think everything turned out really, really nice. I hope you like the reveal. Again, don't forget to leave me a comment down in the comment section. Leave this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I did order 3 shelves to go on this black wall. And then I'm also going to incorporate some picture lights or gallery lights above the wall art behind the washer and dryer. Keep God first in all that you do. I'll see you in the next one.